हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। आज के वीडियो में हम गो थ्रू करेंगे 9 जून 2025 के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट हैज़ बीन द नेम ऑफ द टेस्ट सीरीज बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इंग्लैंड रिसेंटली चेंज्ड? एंड द आंसर इज फुटबॉल। Second question, who among the following has been appointed as the brand ambassador of TCL India? And the answer is Rohit Sharma. Third question, who has won the title of the recently held Norway Chess 2025? And the answer is Magnus Carlsen. Fourth question, who among the following has launched the Indian languages section to promote Indian languages in governance? And the answer is Amit Shah. Fifth question, in which state has the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary being established recently? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. Sixth question, who among the following has developed a nanozyme that prevents excessive blood clotting? And the answer is IISc Bengaluru. Seventh question, Piyush Chawla, who has recently retired, is related to which sport? And the answer is cricket. Eighth question, which country has become the first country to shoot down enemy's country's drone with laser weapons? And the answer is Flipkart. Ninth question, which Gram Panchayat has won the gold medal in the digital governance category under the e-Governance Awards 2025? And the answer is Rohini Gram Panchayat. 10th question, International Archives Day is celebrated on which of the following days? And the answer is 9th June. 11th question, Coco Gauff belonged to which country who won the women's single title in the recently held French Open 2025 tennis tournament? And the answer is America. 12th question, where has the world's highest railway arch bridge been inaugurated? And the answer is Kashmir. 13th question, who among the following has been chosen as the brand ambassador of Dettol? And the answer is MS Dhoni. 14th question, in which country was the 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum held? And the answer is Brazil. 15th question, who among the following has been appointed as the first woman ADC to the Indian president? And the answer is Yashasvi Solanki. 16th question, who has recently become the world's most valuable company? And the answer is Nvidia. 17th question, how many countries have been elected as non-permanent members of the United Nations Security Council by the United Nations General Assembly? And the answer is 5. 18th question, which operation has been launched by the Indian Army to provide security to the Holy Amarnath Yatra 2025? And the answer is Shiva. 19th question, Vande Ganga Jal Sanrakshan Jan Abhiyan has been launched in which of the following states? And the answer is Rajasthan. 20th question, who has been appointed the new president of Fertilizer Association of India? And the answer is Sailesh C. Mehta. 21st question, In which state has India's first variable speed pump storage plant become operational? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 22nd question. Which union minister launches Hopeful Central Portal to modernize Waqf property management? And the answer is Kiran Rijiju. 23rd question. Who recently won the men's single title of French Open 2025? And the answer is Carlos Alcaraz. 24th question. What is the name of the investor-centric portal recently launched by the Ministry of Ayush? And the answer is Ayush Nivesh Sarthi. 25th question. World Ocean Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 8th June. 26th question. Which country has issued new currency notes without the image its founding father Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? And the answer is Bangladesh. 27th question. Which company recently received approval from India's Department of Telecommunication to offer satellite-based internet services? And the answer is Starlink. 28th question. RBI has issued the repo rate by 50 basis points to? And the answer is 5.5%. 29th question. On which date World Brain Tumor Day is celebrated? And the answer is 8th June. And the last 30th question. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched the Waste Picker Enumeration app under which scheme? And the answer is Namaste Scheme. तो ये थे 9 जून 2025 के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु होस्टेड द 4th इंडिया सेंट्रल एशिया डायलॉग इन न्यू दिल्ली ऑन 6 जून 2025। तो इस क्वेश्चन का आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।